Hello friends, I am going to show you a few examples about SVC structure, subject verb complement. Right friends, the first structure is for noun or pronoun. That means subject plus be plus noun or pronoun. See the examples one by one. The first one, this is a pen. His mother is a teacher. There has been an accident. The total is 69. It is me. There is a man at the gate. There are people who are noisy. She has been our neighbor for 15 years. There will be an election next year. They are foreigners. So these are subject plus be plus noun or pronoun. The basic structure is subject plus be plus complement. Then I am giving you some more examples. Right. Now the second structure, subject plus be plus adjective. Right. The main structure is subject plus be plus complement, but this is the sub part. So that is subject plus be plus adjective. See the examples. We are ready. Ready is an adjective. The children are very tired. Tired is an adjective. She is very happy now. Don't be afraid. Here the subject is you, but it is not written, but it is understood, right? Don't be afraid. I am really sorry. This is a very common structure, right? Very common sentence. I am really sorry. It is still alive. It is still alive, not dead. We are not aware of that. We are not aware of that. What is wrong with you? That is a question. What is wrong with you? Wrong is an adjective. This lesson is very important. Important is an adjective. The situation in the country is very bad. So all of these examples are in the structure of subject plus be plus adjective. There are some more examples. Right friends. Now the next part, subject plus be plus prepositional phrases. Actually prepositional phrases here, they are taken as adverbs but so specific. See this examples. The country is at war again. Is at war again. She is at lunch. At lunch. She is at lunch. We are not aware. We are not out of danger yet. We are not out of danger yet. Everybody is at work. Everybody is at work. The discussion was of no importance. This sentence is beyond me. I can't understand this. This sentence is beyond me. The question is out of practice. It is not a practical question. Everything is now in good condition. Everything is now in good condition. They are on holiday. They are on holiday. They are on leave, right? I am at the receiving end. So that is very dangerous. I am at the receiving end. All of these examples are in the structure subject plus be plus prepositional group. Right. Let's see some more examples. Alright friends. Now this is the last part. Subject plus be plus adverb. Adverb, yes. They are the answer. They are the parts answering the questions where, when, why, how, etc. Let's see the examples. Your purse is here. Here is an adverb. The thing you are looking for is over there. The meeting is on Monday. Our meal was soon over. I am here because of you. I am here. Here is an adverb. All these are because of you. Because of you, that is an adverb. All the lights are on. All the lights are on. How are they? They are on. The visitors are in. Where are the visitors? They are in. Everything between us is at end. Everything between us is at an end. That is over. Nothing to talk about. The children are back to play. The children are back to play. All of these examples are in subject plus the verb to be plus adverb. So these are the examples for SV complement, subject verb complement, and I would like to talk about these things at length in the future time. So try your best to pick up all these things, right? Actually, this is about grammar, right? Now, grammar is essential, but don't try to be confined to grammar. Just to speak, right? Don't think about the mistake you make. Just go on talking, just go on practicing, and I think this will be very useful. We'll meet again with another video very soon. Until such time, stay fit and goodbye.